I'm about to tear down this little squirrel nest. I really apologize. I do appreciate your work, but it's not going to be able to. Sorry about this, bro. This is not the first time it's happening here, and I'm going to use some sort of fence to block that space. We did try to block it a bit. Ooh, okay. I just hope she doesn't have babies. At this time it's April, so I'm really hoping she doesn't look fat, so perhaps she already had the babies. Yeah, sorry about this, bro. What can I do for you? We call those social services, but yeah, so I'm working carefully if there's any baby. But by the way she's jumping around, it doesn't look like it actually does look like maybe there hopefully there's none, but I need to be careful not to hit them. You notice it's COVID. She did use a bunch of masks, and it's pretty packing there. The last time we had this problem, it was right there in the corner, and it was really very well hidden, and we did pull all these covers down, and there were 3 babies. I do remember that. Oh, that's not good. Oh, sorry about this, bro, but there's not much. Yeah, I kind of feel her stress. Okay, maybe you can get a deal for you. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe you can yeah, she's really agitated. There's obvious babies in there. Maybe you can leave this for this year, and in summertime when they'll be gone, we are going to clear the place and block it, but I don't want to disturb those babies. I guess they are really smart. Ooh, they are very small by now, so it's not going to work. Yeah, she's really stressed. Sorry, mom. Sorry, I much respect you. Sorry about this. Let's just let it go and just push it this one back on a little bit. It's hard to say. I don't think it's really deep, but they are surely there. So I was saying, just to end this, I don't want to stress her much more than this. We do have a couple of these here. But I was saying we'd had 3 baby squirrels there. We start ripping this down this way, and when we got to the last one, there were 3 of them, and they were really hugging each other, all 3 of them. They were almost mature, but I think they never seen the light of the sun until we got this out. So they were really scared. And actually what we did, I don't remember how, but we got them to jump from there, and we catch them in a box, in a package box, and we brought the box into the yard with the 3 guys in there. And perhaps not the same squirrel, but she came back and took them one by one, get to the fence and get in the, I guess they usually have 2 nests, so she brought them into the other nest. Who knows, maybe that happened years ago. Maybe she's one of these 3 babies, no one knows. But obviously, okay, you can see some action there. She's right there. Yeah, we're going to let it be for this summer, and then block the area here. It's very difficult. We actually put some woods, but she did chew through them. And again, I was saying I'm going to use, when we tear everything down by the end of the summer, when the babies are going to be gone, we are going to block this with some fence.
All right, got some big.
COVID nest, COVID mask nests.